All right, wheel number 2 on this Corolla. Got curb rash right here. And then some more up here on the top in between the tire and the wheel. I don't know if you can actually see that in the camera, but it's chipped all up through here. So I'm just gonna, this isn't super deep, I'm just gonna sand out this damage, then we'll paint it up. Let's scuff that up with the scuff pad, and we'll clean this up and get the paint on it. And again, this is the Sonic Silver paint. This is linked in the description below, along with all the other paints that I stock. Every color I stock is linked in the description. So when it goes way back into the tire like that, you have to use the corner of your shield here. Kind of go real slow, get that paint all the way back in there. And we'll just cover that with clear.